Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to lock and unlock your gree AC remote control. It is very simple. Before we start, please make sure you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also, let's get started. If you want to lock your AC remote, then press minus and plus button both at same time. Here you can see a lock symbol appear on the screen. Okay, if you wanna unlock your remote, then press plus and minus button again to unlock. That's it. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please like and share to your friends. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.